Concept based on railway accident. The project name is a novel approach for accident prevention of Boxn wagon train. When train unloading material on the station, most of the time wagon doors are remain open and train passes from one station to another station. In middle of that, the open wagon doors collaborate with the nearest electric pole on the railway track. Because of it, major accident happen and it damages railway property and also losses so many lives and damaging the carrying material. Preventing that accident and damage, we are working on this concept. So basically, we are using STM32 Nucleo U575 ZIQ board with two ultrasonic sensor, two RF module and one GSM module. The material we are using in this concept to create a wagon architecture is MDF sheet, that is medium density fiber board sheet. This concept is based on the transmitting side. In transmitting side, the system that uses an STM32 microcontroller and two ultrasonic sensor to detect whether the door of Boxn wagons are open or closed. This system is designed to prevent potential railway disaster by ensuring doors are securely closed during transport. On the transmitter side, the key components of our system include an STM32 microcontroller, two ultrasonic sensor and a wireless communication module. The ultrasonic sensor is responsible for detecting the distance between the door is open or closed. The STM32 board processes this data and sends a signal when it detects that the door is open. The sender sends out ultrasonic sensor pulses and measures the time it takes for the pulse to return after hitting the door. This distance is compared with the preset threshold to determine the door status. The STM32 board is programmed to continuously monitor these distances from both the sensor. The sensor can be used to detect the number of wagon for detection of opening of door, and another ultrasonic sensor are using while detection of opening of door. While passing a train, first sensor detect wagon number and the second sensor detect if doors is open or closed. After passing a train completely, it check the wagon is balanced for the another 5 seconds or not. In transmitter side, we are using two ultrasonic sensor, STM board, two RF module, one GSM module, and STM32 Nucleo board is the industrial board. It has two processor, STM32 chip and ARM processor. STM chip has 172 pins and STM32 board has 144 input-output pins. Here a quick look at the code running on the STM32 board. The board reads the data from both the sensor, processes it and then sends a wireless alert if any door is detected as being open. This concept based on the receiving side of the data. In the receiving side, it is capturing the data from the transmitting side. When wagon door opens, sensor detect and send message to the receiving side through API, that is application program interface. We have created the user interface using Java Swing, which is the software transmitting side data to transmit the data from the receiver side. If a train passing from one side to another side, the sensor can detect the train, which is the number from 11, which means the train arrived. Another number 01, which shows the door open, and number 10, which shows the door closed, and number 00, it means wagon has been passed. All this data stored in the Excel sheet and send the message from the mobile as a controller room.